Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York on this beautiful spring day. And I'm at my friend Lou's place, which I call Rusty Gold. I love coming here. He just got this car in inventory and he would like to share with you. It's pretty cool. Guys, it's a 1959 Ford T-Bird. Car was on the road as of about 6 years ago. It does start, but it's not getting gas up to the carburetor. There's a brand new Edelbrock carb on the car. The car is pretty solid. The car is for sale. It's actually $3,900 for the car. And it does run. He sprayed some ether in the car and it started. So check it out. Black and white interior. There's the Ford 352 motor. Car does run. Had it run the other day. Let's see how many miles. We do have the New York State transferable registration as well. Second. Seats look good. Back seat's nice. Headline's coming down. This car's showing 22,000 miles, which is probably 122. Console's nice. It's a really nice car, guys. Trunk's solid as well. Like I said, it does run on ether. It's a really awesome car. Just walk around here again. Yeah. We got a bunch of wasps flying around us. We have to make sure we stay in harmony with them. They'll be stinging me. Yeah. And me and wasps don't get along in Yellow Jackets. There it is, guys, 1959 Ford T-Bird. Now, you can contact Lou. His phone number is 631-576-6517. He's asking $3,900 or best offer. The car does run. It is a solid car. The trunk is pretty solid too. You want to check out the trunk? We get in the trunk. I think those bees are just flying around.
Yeah, they're from in the car. Can't open it again, imagine.
Oh, there it is. So there it is, guys. Trunk's pretty solid. Got some parts, some hubcaps. Look around, but the trunk is really solid, guys. So the car was, I guess, original silver? What color was the car?
Silver, charcoal gray.
Charcoal gray car. It's pretty awesome. Alright guys, so please like this video, share it, leave your comments down below. The car is for sale. You call Lou up at 631-576-6517. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia coming with another video really soon. Have a great day, guys. Rusty Gold in Long Island, New York. Bye-bye.